Replacing the pickup head curtain on the RegenX sweeper is simple and quick. Begin by dropping the pickup side of the center board by removing the clip. Next, using a 3/4 inch socket or wrench, loosen the 4 bolts that attach the curtain assembly to the pickup head. There are 2 bolts on the right side of the pickup head and 2 on the left side. The center curtain assembly is now loose and can slide forward and off the pickup head. The curtain is attached by a series of small bolts that are easily removed to allow for curtain replacement. After the new curtain is attached, slide the assembly onto the pickup head and tighten the 4 bolts. Finish by reattaching the center board. If you have any questions regarding the information presented in this program, please contact your local Elgin dealer.